Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send live location on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to send live location on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps, guys, if you were away on the maps, first you'll be required to tap on the GPS icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. Tap on that and then your location will be shown to you like this. And after getting to your location from the GPS icon over here, tap on your location on the Google Maps and this kind of interface will appear. Again, let's tap on our location over here, which is the blue dot on the map. And you can see, guys, the share location button is available for us over here. Now this share location button is the button through which we will be able to send live location on Google Maps. Tap on share location and this kind of interface will appear where you can see, guys, at the top of the screen here it says share your real-time location, which is the live location. Now you can share your live location for 1 hour or 2 hours depending upon the time for which you want to send your live location. And after doing that, you can share your location through your WhatsApp. Either copy this link to the clipboard and send it to whomever you like. So I'll be going to the copy to clipboard, and after copying this clipboard, tap on share and the link will be copied to your clipboard on your phone. Now you will be able to paste that link wherever you like or send that link to whomever you like. With that being done, guys, you can send it through Messenger, WhatsApp, and many of the social media platforms which are available over here. For example, I'll be just opening the WhatsApp, and after that, send the message to the person whom you want to send that live location like this, and then send it on WhatsApp. Then the live location from your Google Maps will be shared like this. And there, guys, this is how to send live location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.